Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix the Red Dead Redemption not launching or black screen and crash on desktop. And let's get straight into it. So the first thing that you guys can do is go over to GeForce Experience. If you have an NVIDIA, you can make sure that your drivers are up to date, and you can do that by clicking on GeForce Experience. Go over to drivers, and then from here you can click on check for updates, and if it says you have the latest GeForce Game Ready driver, then you're good to go. But if it doesn't, there will be two options: custom and express installation. Just go ahead and click on express installation. Once that is done updating, I recommend restarting your PC as well to check if that helps as well. And then if you have Red Dead Redemption installed through Steam, you can go ahead and right click on Steam on your on your home page. Click on Run as an Administrator. Once Steam is open, you can go over to Library, look for Red Dead Redemption. I'm just going to use a random game as an example, but you want to basically just right click on it, go over to Properties. From Properties, go to Installed Files, and then hit Verify Integrity of Game Files. Once this is done verifying, you guys can go ahead and open up Red Dead Redemption, and then you can check to see if that fixes the issue. And that should be it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.